dancing. This is such a perfect place. I'm glad I found this with you. Our love reflected in your face. Only heaven can beat this view. Come on, let's run and get lost in the crowd. Into the light as the nights come down. I'm double tapping, I'm focusing now. We're focusing now.
Hi guys, it's early in the morning and I'm going to monastery, so I will wear our traditional dress. We both are on our traditional dress. Like
this is not exactly traditional dress.
Yeah,
see,
that's right.
This one is Western and this one is traditional.
Today we're gonna make hot pot, and that's a Chinese dish. Let's go and see how we make it.
So we have chopped every vegetables. We have got spinach, baby corn, capsicum, whatnot. Oh, look at our cute, beautiful little girl helping me out with this little recipe. Here is our dipping sauce for the hot pot.
We are ready and we are going to swimming. Guys, we reached Tiger Resort and we are going for swimming.
I can hear it now. We're having a very good time together. Yeah, so this will be our last day, and she's leaving tomorrow. So we're having fun.
So we are done. We changed our clothes and we are heading back home. Home. We're about to reach home and we enjoyed a lot.